This is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, black over black leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Leather wrapped steering wheel, navigation, satellite radio, heated mirrors, electronic climate control, remote start, push button start, home link for your garage door, captain's chairs in the second row, rear entertainment, dual power sliding doors, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, power tailgate. There's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.6 liter six-cylinder engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.